Hello and welcome back to a new video. Today I am at Lalbagh to explore the Republic Day flower show. This time the theme is the journey of Tejaswi. KP Poornachandra Tejaswi is a prominent Kannada novelist and writer. He also worked as a photographer, publisher, painter, naturalist and environmentalist. And the flower show has done justice by showcasing all of his multi-talents. The flower show also presented appealing village scenes inspired by the Biligiri Rangan Hills, flowing streams, hills and animal sculptures. The flower show is open from 14th January to the 26th of January. The timings is from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. The ticket price on weekday is Rs 80 for adults and Rs 100 on the weekends. The ticket price for children below 12 years of age is Rs 30. Also, while you're at Lalbagh, don't forget to explore the Lalbagh Rock and the temple, the Rose Garden and also the Lalbagh Lake, also the Bonsai Park. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed exploring Lalbagh with me, and I hope you would like, share and subscribe to my channel.